So they get the money, but it comes in a different way. They lose their son, accidentally got pulled into the machine and mangled to death. The second wish is thought of by Mrs. White to bring her son back from the grave. He has been dead for 10 days. Again, after the wish, nothing happens. Immediately, the Whites then begin to hear the sound of someone or something arriving at the door, and loud knocking begins. Mrs. White wants to rush to the door. Mr. White is not so sure. As Mrs. White rushes to the door to open it, it is bolted at the top. She can't reach the lock. As she is dragging the chair to the door, Mr. White is furiously looking for the monkey's paw to make the third wish. Mr. White makes his third wish to return whatever is at the door, Herbert or some form, thereof back to the grave, just as Mrs. White opens the door to find nothing but the dark, empty night. They come true, your wishes come true, but never precisely as you wish, so that you get what you want at a great cost to yourself. In this story, the Whites get the paw from Sergeant Morris. When they wish for wealth, they get money from the company where their son works because he was killed in an accident, but they lose. Mrs. White wants their sons to be brought back. For the son to be brought back, they hear him coming back from the dead, clearly lurching zombie-like, like a ghost. The third wish sends him back. It gives us that feeling, scary feeling. They are waiting for this guest. That was Sergeant Morris, who had come for a dinner night. He had a position and grant 3 wishes. Someone throws it away, we take something away, which is a very great loss for us. We just imagine, we are left while reading that what he wished for, but more can conclude that it was his son disappear, no one is there when the door is open. Isn't it? So this is what it is all about, the monkey's paw. So you read the lesson and try to solve the question. I told you the story. And you have to understand. We have to, the thing is, we must try to accept our destiny. Isn't it? We have to accept what we have. That, how to explain this? Of desire and greed, we have desires in life. Everything that its owner could probably wish for an unrestricted ability to make it happen. This power makes the paw alluring, even to unleash, even to unselfish people who desire nothing and have everything they need. That we should, it is not wise to trust strangers, even when they promise to be loyal to you. Ignoring the wisdom and experience of others can lead to terrible consequences. You should never give up, even if you think a problem is impossible to solve. This is the actual thought of the story. So you will do the story, you will do the question answers, go through it and try to solve it. After that, I am there. I am always there for you, 24/7. Take care. Bye bye. God bless. And love your parents, respect them. Happy Diwali in advance. Bye bye.